Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix if your iPhone have any cellular issue detected or you cannot use network or your network is not working on the iPhone. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to make sure that you haven't any software update available because sometime it might be that your system have any pending software updates so you cannot use your cellular data. So you must have to go for your settings and go for general, and here you have to go for software update. But for to check for update you have to make sure that you have a Wi-Fi network connected, and then you can easily check for your pending software updates. Or if you have any pending update, here you have to try to update your software, and once you have updated it might be that your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, you have to go ahead to your settings again, and here go for general. Then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode and your all network setting will be resetted. If there will be any problem into your network settings, so it will fix in this step. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to go ahead to your settings again, scroll down until you find screen time, tap on it, then scroll down and you will get the content and privacy restrictions. Select that, and you have to make sure that you have disabled this toggle. So it might be sometimes your phone has been restricted due to these restrictions, so it will disable all the restrictions on your phone. And once you have that, you have to make a force restart your phone. So not to do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here, and once you get the Apple logo, you have to release your button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix all of your issues. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're having any network issue on your any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.